guys, it's Rose. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I have another clean with me video today. I'm doing my master bedroom. If you want to take this clean with me journey, please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. Okay, so right here, I actually do accumulate a lot of papers throughout the week for my girls' school. So what I do is when I am cleaning and going through the papers, I immediately put down any important dates and times into my planner so that I can go ahead and throw the papers away to stay organized.
Hey, that's my bed.
Okay, right here, I actually didn't know that the camera had fallen down. So you'll actually see me get visibly annoyed right here because I had to readjust it. And I wasn't sure how much the camera had missed. Alright, so I am finally finished cleaning the master bedroom, and I will leave a picture of the finished product so that you can see what it looks like once it's done. I am in the middle of redoing my bedroom, so it's pretty basic right now. But yeah, if you guys like this, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see some more of these videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.